So now we are starting with the fourth unit of the 12th class, that is chemical kinetics. Now what is chemical kinetics? First question is chemical kinetics. It is defined as a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rates of reactions, their stepwise mechanism and the various factors which affect the rate of reactions. Then we have what is rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, it is defined as the change in concentration of any one of the reactant or product per unit time. It is also called as the average rate of reaction because here total change in concentration is divided by total time to get the rate of reaction. In this case, PCl5 changing into product PCl3 and Cl2. Let X1 is the concentration of PCl5 at time T1. After time, some time, it is time T2. That concentration become X2. Now the rate of reaction would be given by final concentration minus initial concentration X2 minus X1 upon T2 minus T1. It will give you the rate of reaction or average rate of reaction. Then we have third question, what is half-life period of a reaction? Half-life period of a reaction, it is defined as the time in which half of the reaction get completed. आधी रिएक्शन या तो पूरी हो जाए और हाफ ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट दैट गेट कंज्यूम्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हाफ लाइफ पीरियड. तो हाफ लाइफ पीरियड, द टाइम in which half of the reactant get consumed or half of the reaction gets completed. This is called as half-life period of a reaction. It is calculated by formula for first order reaction. T half is equal to 0.693 upon velocity constant of the reaction. And for the zero order reaction, it is given by this formula. Initial concentration divided by 2K, it is equal to the half-life period of the reaction. Then we have another important question of this unit, that is question number 4. What is the difference between order and molecularity of the reaction? What are the differences between order and molecularity of reaction? Order, as we know, it is an experimental quantity. Order कभी भी theoretically नहीं दिया जाता. Experimentation is done and then values are put in the expressions of first order, zero order, second order and third order to find the order of that reaction. So it is experimental, it is theoretical. It is the sum of exponent to which concentration terms are raised in rate law. Here the number of molecules which must collide to give product. प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए कितने मॉलिक्यूल आपस में कोलाइड करें तब प्रोडक्ट बनती है, या कितने मॉलिक्यूल एक्टिवेटेड कम्प्लेक्स बनाने में हिस्सा लें. तीसरी बात, इट इज फ्रैक्शनल और होल नंबर दोनों ही होती है. इट इज ऑलवेज होल नंबर. मल्टी स्टेप रिएक्शन, अगर कोई रिएक्शन बहुत सारे स्टेप्स में चल रही है, ऑर्डर इज डिटरमाइंड फ्रॉम स्लो स्टेप, here मल्टी स्टेप रिएक्शन में इट हैज नो सिग्निफिकेंस, मॉलिक्युलरिटी का कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं रहता मल्टी स्टेप रिएक्शन में, ईच स्टेप हैज इट्स ओन मॉलिक्युलरिटी। फिर भी स्लो स्टेप में अगर मॉलिक्यूल जो इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं उनका नंबर काउंट करके मॉलिक्युलरिटी को इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है। Then we have the question, what are zero order reactions? Derive an expression to calculate the velocity constant of zero order reaction K. So our fifth question is, what are zero order reactions? Derive integrated rate law for zero order reactions. As the name itself indicates, zero order reactions are those reactions which do not depend upon change in concentration of any one of the reactant or product. They only depend upon other factor. Example है जैसे H2 and Cl2 gas, they combine only in the presence of sunlight to give you HCl. अगर आप इनका dH upon dt निकालें kinetic से proportional to H2 raised to power 0, Cl2 raised to power 0, exponent का योग 0 plus 0, that is 0. So order is 0. Why it is 0? Because it does not depend upon the concentration of hydrogen and chlorine. It only depends upon the sunlight, which is external factor. तो ये जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन कहलाती है। नाउ डेरिवेशन ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन, इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ, लेट अस टेक ए चेंजेस इनटू प्रोडक्ट, सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में मान लीजिए या हीट की प्रेजेंस में ये रिएक्शन चल रही है। अब इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन इसका देखते हैं, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, दैट इज क्योंकि कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज होती है, वी कैन यूज नेगेटिव साइन हियर, it is proportional to a concentration raised to power 0. प्रोपोर्शनलिटी के साइन को हटाते हैं by constant k, which is called as velocity constant, and anything raised to power 0 that is equal to 1, so we can write here minus dA upon dt, this is equal to k, or minus dA k dt, integrating above equation we get minus a that is equal to kt plus integration constant c. If time is 0, then a is equal to a0 and c will be now equal to, so C will be equal to A0. Put this value in expression number 1. So minus A, this is equal to KT plus A0, or KT is equal to A0 minus A, or K is equal to A0 minus A upon t. So this is the velocity constant of zero order reaction. K is equal to A 0 minus A, initial concentration minus the concentration at time t, that can be used to calculate value of K. So this is the expression for integrated expression for zero order reaction. Zero order reaction के लिए ये integrated expression है. Now if we plot the graph between A, concentration A and time t, then the graph will come out to be a straight line. इधर concentration A लेना, इधर time लेना आपने, the graph will be like this, and slope of this graph that will be equal to minus k. And all the zero order reactions, they must obey this equation at all the intervals of time. Now we want to calculate half life